Are you needing to remove the centre high mounted stop lamp from your Saab 9.3? Maybe you want to tint the back screen and overlap the edge of the tint onto the band, or maybe you need to drop the headlining to get at the shark fin aerial. Well, this video is for you. Stay tuned and I'll show you how. From inside, pull down on the rear of the trim and unhook it, and then pull the trim backwards and it simply drops down. As you can see here, there is a clip at each end and it clips onto that little aluminium piece each side on the rear screen. The electrical connection is held in to a clipping feature there. Press the side of the connector and then it comes apart. This is the high mounted stop light itself. At each side there's a clip. You need to go in, and it's an H-shaped clip. Put a small screwdriver in there and separate that out. Push it outwards a little bit, and then do the same on the other side. And the H-shape, and then that side unclips from a aluminium bracket that's glued onto the screen. Same on this side. And that's it. Your high mounted stop light is out. This clip sits on these two legs here. When it was in position on the back screen, the aluminium clip on the screen slotted into this portion here. And what it does, there's a little locking feature on each of these legs, and what you were doing was separating the locking feature. Now that you've got that off, you've got access around here. If you might be applying tint film and you want to cut it along the black surround of the high mounted stop light, or you might be looking to get into the back of the headliner to get at the shark fin fixings. While you're here, good idea to clean this piece of glass. To put the light back, give the lens a clean, slot it over the H sections of the aluminium brackets, and simply push the two plastic brackets inwards, and that's it. The high mounted stop light is in. Reconnect the connector, clip it back into the clip. To put this trim back on, you need to make sure that these clipping features are lined up with these little aluminium brackets. So first thing, centrally position it. Conveniently there's a little cutout there to help you to do that. Push it forwards, then bring it up, clip into place. Hopefully you found that video useful. If you did, give the video a thumbs up. Add a comment in the comment section below if you've got anything to add to the experience, any tips that you can give to other viewers. If this is the first time at my channel, there's a subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and in the left side of the screen there's a couple of my videos that might be of interest to you. Bye for now.